Okay, this is a short video on the smart lock on the bedroom door for the queen bedroom in Unit B. The smart lock has been programmed with your specific code, which will be emailed to you upon arrival. Right now, the lock cannot be opened. As you notice, the tumbler is not moving. If you are inside the bedroom, it always can exit and turn. For this demonstration, we're going to use the passcode 24566789. So when approaching the door, simply start entering your code 24566789 pound. When the sound emits, you can enter the door, but when the sound stops, it'll revert back to not opening. So you saw that the keypad automatically lights up again. We'll enter it again one more time. 24566789 pound. You hear the sound. You can see the door open and close. After the sound stops, it reverts to not opening again. If you have any questions, please contact your host. I hope this video has helped you to learn about your smart lock on your bedroom door. Thank you.